In a moonlit nursery, a gentle, enveloping hum drifts through the air like a warm blanket smoothing every sleepy hush. A devoted parent curls beside the crib as the white noise swells softly, masking tiny creaks and distant night sounds. The rhythm settles into a lullaby rhythm, steady and even, guiding every breath toward calm and a peaceful dream. Crickets outside fade as the soundscape blends with a soft rain whisper, creating a safe cocoon for slumbering minds. As morning light brushes the window, the baby smiles in dreams, waking refreshed to a calmer day.